So I finally got my dBrand carbon fiber skin for my Galaxy S21 Ultra, and you guys can see the difference between the dBrand for my S21 Ultra and the one that I made for my LG V60 ThinQ with the vinyl wrap, the 12x60 wrap, which I made a skin for the V60, the V60 dual screen case, my Asus VivoBook Flip 14 laptop, and also my Galaxy Tab S7 tablet. And so there is the difference right there. The main difference that you're getting when you buy from dBrand, if they make your skin for your device in the first place, is you're gonna get a more precise, more professional looking fit, and the quality of the wrap or the vinyl, this 3M vinyl that dBrand applies to it, I don't know if it's got like texture on it, whereas this one is just smooth. This one right here for the Dia, I like how the Dia does, it still has that nice gloss and shine to it, and with at the same time not being a fingerprint magnet. But this also is very good for not attracting fingerprints, and it's just got that texture. You can feel like that carbon fiber texture right there, where this one is smooth. So that is a big difference right there. And if they would have made a skin for my V60, I would have not gone through all the trouble to make one of my own. So in this video, we're just going to take a before and after look at my Galaxy S21 Ultra before the carbon fiber skin and after. So hope you guys enjoy. I was going to put it into one of the case reviews, but then that would make my case reviews a lot longer. So I'm making this a separate video. So enjoy the video, and let me know what you guys think in the description. Let me know if you like it better with the skin or without a skin, and why.